Good morning, guys. How are you today? I'm very quiet because it's very early in the morning. I even have a hoarse voice. Today I'm going to make some veggie pelau and some geera chicken and geera chunks. So I'll take you along the way to show you. Here I have my sugar caramelizing for my rice, and then I'll show you the process as I go along. This is caramelizing nicely, and I leave it to get a little bit more brown before we throw in the ingredients. This is how the sugar is supposed to be. I'm gonna go throw in the ingredients now. So here I have my rice, my carrots, my beans, some fresh green seasoning, garlic, and some black beans which I forgot to thaw, and lima beans. So it's in there, it's gonna get cooked up, and it's already pre-boiled. So it will cook up nicely, and it's already starting to stick to the bottom. So I'm going to add some water to it so it can all boil down. I've added some water here and some coconut milk, and I'm going to leave the rice and veggies and beans to boil down. I also added some salt, and I'll leave that to cook down until the rice gets soft and everything is nice and combined. In this pot I have some oil, garlic, and geera frying up, and I'm going to add seasoned chicken to this. This chicken is seasoned with regular green seasoning, some garlic, lentils, cayenne pepper. So I'm going to leave this to kind of get a little darker and add my chicken. And this is for my geera chicken. So I've added my chicken to the geera and garlic. And this is how it's looking. I turned it up. Of course, I'm going to leave this to bouge down a little bit, and then I'll add some water and more geera to the top, and more fresh seasoning. I'm doing my geera chunks the same way that I've done the chicken. I've added my oil and my garlic, and I'll add my geera to it and let it cook up, and then add my soya. This is the geera. It's about 2 tablespoons or 3, and I just leave it to fry up a little bit. I have fried soya, so I will add the fried soya to that. My veggie pelau is almost done. I've added a little bit of water, fresh green seasoning, and a pinch of salt because it needed some salt, and that is how it's looking there. It's looking really good. I'm going to let the water boil down a little bit and thicken up, and then I'll take it out because it's almost finished. The rice is cooked perfectly, so it should be done there. So I added some water to this and some geera to the top. Fresh seasoning. This isn't too long to cook. And there's my chicken here. It's still bougeing down. It's almost finished. It's kind of, you see, it's kind of bubbling there, so you see it's sticking to the pot. So I'm going to add some water, some more geera, and the fresh seasoning to this, and let it cook down a bit. So my veggie pilau and my soya chunks is finished. So now I'm just waiting on the chicken, which is cooking up here. chicken is almost done. I'm going to give it a few minutes again. Maybe add some geera and some more fresh seasoning, and that should be it. So I took off the stove. I added some more geera and green seasoning, and this is my final geera chicken. And I'll let you know how it tastes.